Randy Silver here with Roaming with Randy of MTV Sports. I just did a blind taste test of High Society Cheesecake. There are 9 flavors. I got 4.5 out of 9 right. So we decided that to my right we have
Angelica
and
Marcus,
production manager and owner. Let's do the opposite. Let's see if they can taste their own food and know it. We're only gonna do 8. We're taking out Miami Vice for this one. So they have pieces of paper, pens, pencils. They're gonna taste it, write down the answer, and show it. Of course, as you see, they're blindfolded. I think she's gonna win. We'll see what happens.
What?
All right, are we ready, folks?
Let's roll.
So
let's eat.
First one, I'm gonna give you a spoon, and then don't do anything until I say bite.
Okay.
So that way you guys do it at the same time.
Okay.
Spoon 1 given. I'm gonna try to give a fair amount of both, so it's the same. All right, spoon 2.
Wait, where?
Here you go. It's right there in your hand.
Okay.
All right. Taste 1. Go. Don't say anything. Write down what you think it's gonna be. Again, they work here. They're here every day. They're making it. They're trying it. They're having fun with it. Talking to customers. Can they blind taste test their own food?
You want me to show it?
Not yet. We're waiting for Marcus. And they get 1 try here. They work here. They gave me 2 or 3. It's 1 and done for us here.
Okay.
All right, you guys ready? All right, show your papers.
I don't know what my handwriting looks like.
You both say lemon meringue. That is correct.
Lemon meringue, 1 for 1. Congratulations. We'll put these over here. Number 2. You both have it. Number 2, go.
Oh,
So write down the answers.
I don't know if I'm overlapping.
No, you're good. Feeling pretty confident here in the middle. Mark is still tasting it. If you guys saw that video, check it out on social media. Marcus is very lenient with me. You may notice I'm a little jittery right now. I'm on a sugar high after doing the taste test. All right, we're gonna go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All right, show your answers.
Can't joke the
I
Joker,
want you guys
baby.
to say your answers real quick. 3, 2, 1.
Peach cobbler.
Miami Vice.
You guys are both wrong.
What?
Oh!
No.
Wait.
No way.
You want a second try?
Yes.
Yes, please.
All right.
No
Both
way.
are wrong.
Marky
Also, how can it be Miami Vice? We're not doing
Yeah,
Miami
I was like,
Vice.
wait, where's
Thought
it?
y'all tried to dupe me. Thought y'all
Wait.
tried to slide one in.
She just put the rock in your mouth.
Dude, I tasted coconut. Like for real,
There you
I
go.
tasted.
Marcus, grab it. Start right there.
Thank you. Hey.
There you go. Sorry, I understand what you mean by giving it the wrong way.
Uh-oh.
Hold on.
I want to try this.
Let me go down the line.
Okay, I think.
So we're gonna give him a second
hold on.
try here.
Wow.
As we have customers coming in, let's go. I don't know what the name of this is, so we're
Okay,
gonna
hold on.
Tyler to come back.
I'm writing it and I know it's wrong. Dude,
Isn't it crazy?
this is
Hold on,
way
hold on.
crazy. If this is Black Velvet, I'm out.
It's
Like,
not. But I'm trying to think of the flavors we have on the bar.
Dude, I tasted coconut.
I tasted the spice.
This
the
is not a
spicy-
team effort.
sorry,
This
sorry.
is not a team effort.
That's right.
Individual competition.
Dude, I'm gonna go with this, but
Hold on.
I started writing it somewhere. I'm gonna.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 15 seconds.
Okay. Man.
I can't think of it. Hold on.
I'm gonna switch it. Last minute.
There's no way it's anything else.
Whoops.
No,
I gotta
it's
be able
not
to
that.
spell it first.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show your papers.
Oh, I'm gonna get this wrong. Am I?
You both said pineapple whip. You were both wrong.
What?
There's no
You
way.
have
I originally had tie-dye, but I'm not tasting enough of what I think the tie-dye is, so I went with pineapple whip.
It is tie-dye.
It's tie-dye.
There's no way it's tie-dye.
Never second guess yourself.
Dude.
Never second
Let
guess
me see
yourself.
your
All right.
spoons, please. So that puts you guys at 1 for 2. Okay, number 3.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. 3, go.
Do you mind if I get a second?
Not at all.
That is really good though.
That is really good.
It's good to know you make good product, but the question is, can you name what the product is? All right, do you have your answers?
Yep.
All right,
Locked
let's
in.
show the paper, please.
I didn't write the second part, but
All right.
Good job, you guys.
And the answer is
pineapple whip.
Pineapple whip.
pineapple whip. We got it correct. I'll take your forks.
Thank you.
2 for 3. 4. She's also cleaning her palate every time.
Wait.
You got it?
Yep,
Okay,
got it.
Here we go.
Are you armed?
Number 4,
Ready?
2, 3, both. Here we go. I kind of want this myself.
Perfect.
Oh.
Oh,
They both feel like they know this. Feel the confidence coming.
Yep. Wait.
I know. There's a little.
Yep. Oh, I think I know what it is.
There's a little surprise on the back end of that.
Show your paper. 3, 2, 1. We have Brookie and Brookie.
Ding, ding, ding.
Brookie
All
is
right.
correct. Brownie cookie.
Did
Look
you
at this.
almost think s'mores for a second?
No.
Oh, okay.
I taste.
No.
There was something at the end, but then I was like, that might just be a cookie.
Yes, yes.
Okay. 3 out of 4 for both of them. We're on to the next one. 3 out of 4. Taste test number 5.
Oh.
No, you're going over. Go a little bit
Oh.
lower. There you go. With confidence. This is a tie. She
Only
went
'cause-
for writing it first.
I'm just savoring that. That is.
I'll take your forks.
Thank you.
Should be spoons.
Oops, I think I got your pencil.
Yeah, I don't. There we go. I'll just hold on to
I'm
it.
putting this one in ink.
Ready?
No.
Not yet. You're still writing.
Write faster.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
It's peach cobbler because I made the streusel.
Because you made the streusel.
Yes.
It is correct. Peach cobbler.
Dude, I had the streusel break,
Yes.
and
Same.
it just like flavor exploded in my mouth, and I was like, oh my word.
Taste
No.
test number 6.
Okay.
We are
Right there. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Here you go.
Let me tell you something.
The production manager knows what's up. Quick on it.
Let me tell you something. I am getting this from an entirely different lens. I now know exactly
Oh my
what your
gosh.
struggle was. Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
You both have it written down?
Yeah,
Let's show the paper in 3, 2, 1.
it's down here somewhere.
Black velvet.
Somewhere.
Black velvet. We're correct.
All right.
Good job.
So let me ask you this, Marcus. You have different ones. Like, as the owner,
Yeah.
how unique is it to not see it and just taste it?
Dude, I couldn't taste the chocolate. Like, for real, I could not. It was the mousse. It was only
Yeah, I'll
because
take a
I
spoon.
put the mousse on top that I got that consistency. I couldn't taste the chocolate.
So
Sharp
this
as
is
a tack.
number 7. They're 5 for 6.
Hey, Randy, is getting dizzy normal? around this number.
I'm getting a sugar high for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that a symptom of being sugar high?
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Number 7. They're 5 and 6.
Oh.
Your pencil's right there. You right?
I'm gonna put myself out there. I taste that secret ingredient that we
Me
put
too.
in there. Yep, yep. You'll never know.
But do they know the name of it? That's the question. All right, paper. 3, 2, 1. S'mores. Correct.
Awesome.
I thought you were gonna say we were incorrect. I was like, there's no way.
I like that delay, right? Like,
Now that takes us to our final flavor. Out of 8, there's 6 of 7. Can they go 7 of 8? Okay, here we
Thank
go.
you.
3, 2, 1. You're getting secondhand sugar high. I still am sugar high.
Right here?
Yeah, you're good.
I don't want the full name, so I'm just gonna go like this. I hope I spell it right.
oh, the last word, just like scribble it, and then you'll be like, I didn't want it right.
It's not a team sport.
Sorry, sorry, Randy. You're right.
But I only say that because I feel like by her saying that, you're like, oh, I kind of know what she's saying.
That's true.
Okay, ready?
That was delicious.
3, 2, 1.
It's the salted caramel macchiato.
Correct.
Nice.
7 out of 8. Blindfolds off.
Ugh.
Can
Ow,
you-
my
that's right.
eyes.
Yeah, it's super bright now.
I'm gonna take a note
Oh.
from Randy.
So
Whoa.
let me ask you, as someone who works here and you make these every day, how much harder is it to know what you're eating without seeing it?
It was, I think the first one, the tie-dye threw me off because I tasted the cinnamon. And I know our peach gets cinnamon,
Yeah. Yes.
but
The tie-dye literally needs no introduction. Like the fact that nobody really knows what it tastes like, even though we know what goes into it, and it's a very good flavor. You don't even have to not, oh, sorry, Randy, you don't even have to not see it to like understand. It's kind of a mystery. It's, dude, I tasted whatever my brain wanted to think I was tasting.
That's life.
But dude, an appreciation, blind tasting is insane. Like this is the one that made the black velvet. I only knew it was black velvet because of the mousse on top. I could not taste the chocolate. Unbelievable, such an appreciation.
And if you want to try some cheesecake, how can they find it?
Come over to us. We're at 3900 Yankee Hill Road over by Super Target at High Society Cheesecake. We do scoopable cheesecake. That's what we're tasting here. This is actually the shippable version, but we scoop it for you right in front of your face when you come in.
And that's Lincoln, Nebraska.
Yeah.
Lincoln,
Lincoln,
Nebraska.
Nebraska.
Thank you. Yeah.
But if you're not in Lincoln or Nebraska, as you just said, they're now shipping. You can order
Yep.
it online via their website.
Or come and hang with us and we'll let you pin our map. Get a pin. Tell us where you're from.
Yeah, and maybe they'll let you do a blind taste test. But you have to buy them all. Or ask very nicely. We'll see you guys in the next video.